Okay, so this is what it looks like by my house. There was a blizzard last night. I mean, really bad to where I was stuck in the driveway coming home from work and I couldn't get out. But this is what it looks like today. It's sunny, but it's snowing. And I live in the Midwest, guys. That's all I'm going to tell you. It's still snowing a little bit, but it's sunny today, which is kind of cool. Our neighbor's house, last night the snow was all the way up to the middle of her garage, and they plowed it, so that's how bad it snowed. But ours, I have to go out there and shovel. I'll make my boyfriend do it.